Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss on topic typical configuration of computer system. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and get all my videos notifications and make well utilize for your studies. So what are the contents? Just see what are the contents are. Introduction to motherboard, types of motherboard, components of motherboard, memory, power supplied to the computer system and assembling the computer system. Then we will see one by one. First is introduction to motherboard. Before going to this, what is exact motherboard? First we need to learn about what is a computer system. Yes, so what is a computer system? The computer system is a electronic device. Why? What is the purpose of using the computer system? By using the computer system, we can store the data and we can recall the data and process the data. By using the computer system, we can perform the multiple tasks. So this is a working of computers. Then what are the terms we are going to use in computer system? So here some of the terms we are using in computer system. First one is hardware and second one is software, then data and user. Then what is the hardware? The hardware is nothing but it is a physical part of computer system. Then the all hardwares we can touch and feel. We can see the hardwares. So this kind of devices we can call it as hardwares. So examples for hardware is keyboard, mouse, monitor, RAM, CPU and etc. Then next one is software. So software is nothing but it is a collection of programs or it is a set of instruction, we can call it as softwares. Then what are the example? The operating system is a one of the softwares. Then Unix operating system is also one of the software. Then some of the applications. Applications now we are used some of the ATM applications is there, then bank related application is there. So these all are what nothing but it is a set of the instruction we are going to use for the performing some of the specific task. So that is called as a software. Then next one is a data. So what is a data? Is data is nothing but it is a raw information or raw facts we can call. Then for example for the data is for example name, just it is a name or roll number anything but it contains does not contains any meaningful, that called as a data. Then user, what is a user? Who is going to use the computer system is called as a user. For example, so we are going to use uh, entire computer system, so we can call it as a user. Okay, so next coming to next topic, that is a block diagram of computer. So what are the units available in block diagram of computers are input device, central processing unit, we can call it as a CPU, then control unit, in short form CU, then arithmetic and logic unit, that is ALU, then memory unit and output unit. So these are the units are included in the block diagram of the computer system. Then next one is a, this is we can call it as a block diagram of computer. Okay, so here we see three types of unit. First one is a input unit, and this entire CPU section we can call the CPU unit, and this is a output units. So what is the working of this actual block diagram of computer is, here input device is there. So what is the working of input device? It going to accept all the instructions from the users, then it will send it to and CPU, then it will perform the task here, then send the output to the output unit. User can see the output from the output devices. So this is a working of computer system. Okay, so here what are the units are available in block diagram of computers? In input unit, then here what is CPU? In CPU there are two types, control unit, and arithmetic and logic unit, and third one is a memory unit. Then next one is last output unit. So these are the units of block diagram of computer system. Okay, so our input is accepting the data from the input devices and send to the control unit. Okay, what is the working of the control unit is it going to controls all the task. Okay, so next arithmetic and logic unit. So arithmetic and logical unit performing the all the types of arithmetic related operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Then logical unit it going to perform all the types of logical operations. Then next one is a memory unit. So what is a working or what is the task of memory unit? After processing the data, after the performing all the tasks, it will store the data in its memory. Then after storing the information, it will send the output to the output devices. Okay, so this is a working of entire block diagram of systems. So here we can see the in depth of working of input unit. So as I have said, the working of input unit, it going to accept or it going to receive the data and the instructions from the users. Okay, then central processing unit, it is we can call it as a it is a heart of the computer system, and it contains the two types, control unit and arithmetic and logic unit. Okay, so control unit it controls the all the instructions. Okay, then arithmetic and logic unit it perform the both the arithmetic related as well as the logical related operations. Then memory, after processed data, the result will be saved in the memory unit. Once you save the data in memory, we can use the in the purpose in the future purpose. Then last is the output unit. The output unit working of the output unit is it displays the or it gives the results to the users. How we can see the results from any of the output devices. Then the actual lesson is the motherboard. So what is a motherboard? The motherboard we can call it is a main circuit board of computer system. Okay, it installed in the CPU. Okay, it contains a many number of memories, expansion slots, bus, video controller, and many other electronic components. Then another name of motherboard is large printed circuit board, or we can call it as a PCB. PCB stands for printed circuit board. Into 1 marks they can ask in the examination what is a PCB. The PCB stands for printed circuit board. So I hope understood this topic. Next we will see characteristics of motherboard in the next session.